Yeah, the pound dollar. We're looking here at the pound dollar at a 5 minute chart. It's been in a. I gotta upgrade to a better video card one of these days. Anyway, what we're looking at here is the pound dollar on a 5 minute chart, and it's been up. It's been in a downtrend all morning. I've been in a couple positions already. I've gone in and out, in and out. This is an area where this is where you get out. This is where you get back in. This is all in hindsight. But technically, you get out of here, you get back in here. Actually, this here would be your entry. This here would be an exit, or this could have been an exit. And this would have been another entry. That's how I trade. I like to trade fibs, and I like to overlap those fibs with moving averages. That's what you see we're doing here. Right here we're in a really good sell area, a short area. But we're on a weekly chart, we're very close to support. Doesn't mean that I could fall just a little bit more, and this little bit could be about 30 or 40 pips or 25 pips. But on my daily chart, I'm right up against this 144 EMA, which is something that I started using. Check it out. I think it works really good with the other moving averages. It appears to be respected to some degree. Respected here. Anyway, we poked it. We're wicking it. So it could fall a little further. I was in this trade a little while ago. I was anticipating it to come on down here to this part of the trend line, bottom part of the trend line, and that would have also been a good exit area because it's 121.4 fib extension. And it's overlapped here with this trend line and the 233 EMA. I use a 233, not a 200. I used to use a 200, but I decided to go with 233 because anyway, I'm going to add the 144. 233, that's a fib number. 200 isn't. Anywhere in between the 144 and the 233 are good areas to either take a long or exit from a short. This is a daily chart. Here's our 4 hour. First price could very well end up fibbing. Kind of like one of these numbers. Come up to here and then tank. But that's one of those situations where you just gotta wait. Gotta be patient. It's not really a far enough distance for me where I'd be comfortable longing. I don't want to just wait for it to get up to here and then I take another short. And wait for it to touch the 5 EMA. Take a look at my 1 hour chart. This is a nice chart to look at. because it really gives you an idea where we're going. I think we could come over here and we could touch the 5 and we could continue to fall. Or we could keep on going until we get to the 38.2 fib and fall. Or we could fib the perfect entry if price would go this far. Keep in mind this is a 1 hour chart. It could take a long time for that to play out. Would be for price to come all the way up here and then tank. This would be a 50% fib overlapped with my 13 EMA and probably 21 by then would already make its way down. That's what I really think would happen. That's what it looks like it could happen. Price has to retrace. It has to get back up here before it continues down. So that probably means that price is going to be in a little bit of an uptrend on a lower time frame chart. By the way, you may wonder why I have 4 hour twice and daily twice and hourly twice. I'll explain that in just a few minutes. We could very well be in some type of an uptrend now. There's the 15-minute. On the 15-minute, we would expect something like this. %. Fib on the 15 would be right about here. This is a really sharp downtrend. Price probably won't make it all the way up here. Price is probably going to get closer to here, 21, and then it'll keep falling. This is a really sharp trend. This is like, wow, you know, just tanking. So when it's tanking like that, it's usually not going to retrace that far. I'd be looking to get on a trade when it maybe like hits one of the 5 moving averages. You can see here the 5 is in control. Okay, I'm back. That was a phone call I received. We're in an area where we would definitely consider taking a short, but at the moment we also got to keep in mind that based on this daily chart, we could be back at a change of direction for a while, change of trend. We might be bouncing off this moving average. We might just keep going up for a while. So now we trim down to the 1 minute chart, which has already broken this trend line. That's a very good early warning sign that we may be going up. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw a fib. Watch what I do here. I'll just change the color to green because if it's a fib that would cause price to go up, I said it as green because green means up in trading, and if it's a fib pointing to the downside, like in this case, I would have red. I see prices being in a fall now, but what I think it's doing is I think it's retracing down to here, and then I think it's going to take off. That's what I think.